Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to make an origami owl. This model was created by Riccardo Foschi. It is a bit advanced, so I made some modifications to make it easier, but the result is pretty much the same. To do so, you only need one rectangle of paper with a 1:2 ratio. I recommend 20 by 40 centimeters. The first step is to fold in half. So bring the right side to the left, dividing into two squares. And now let's fold along both diagonals at the right side. First this one like that. And the opposite. Let's fold in half again, now horizontally. Undo. Bring the edges from the bottom and top to the middle, dividing into 4. Undo again, turn the paper over. Now first bring the creases to the middle, like that. And also the edges. Okay. Now, on the left side, let's fold the corners, bringing each half from the left side to the middle. First this one, just like that. Now the other half. Then turn it over and repeat on the other side. Unfold the corners. For the next step, first open, leave the half with the X up, turning the paper, and fold this edge to the middle. Undo, fold the same edge until the last mark. Undo again. Turn it over. Bring one crease to the other, dividing this part in half. Turn the paper over again, and for the next steps, a little attention. Refold the first layer here, then bring the right side to the first crease, and mark a diagonal line by connecting only these 2 points. Now undo, open the paper, and using the same diagonal, bring the paper again, and mark until the end of the right side. So this part okay. Now repeat exactly the same on the left side. Bring the paper and fold the first diagonal. Then undo, and using the same, fold until the end. Now, using the same marks as a reference, let's fold a new diagonal in this point, as in this image. So, to do that, bring the paper up, leave the lines well aligned with each other, and make a crease from the last mark to the end. The left side okay. Now repeat the same on the right. This is the result for now. Let's do 2 more diagonals, but this time is parallel with the previous ones, as in this image. Again, bring the paper up, and make a crease. The other side as well. And now 2 more, connecting the last 2 with the middle just above, like that. With the marks ready, let's fold the top. First, turn the paper over, bring the top down, now let's fold the bottom only on the first layer to the middle of this square. And using the first diagonal creases, bring both sides up at the same time. Then bring the middle layers to the left side just to reinforce. Now bring to the right side and reinforce again. And using the horizontal creases as a reference, let's divide this part into 4. Just like that. Then bring up this part and fold each quarter in half, dividing into 8. The first one like that, one crease to the other, then the same logic on the others. Now unfold the other side too. Now turn the paper over and using these new creases, pay attention. We need to reinforce one down and the next up, making something like a zigzag. Just watch and repeat. Bring the first layer of each side like that. Then close the corners, bringing the paper until the next layer. And now just repeat the same logic until the end. With this done, let's go to the next steps. In this part, reverse the first two layers, closing the paper that way. Then close this next layer, bringing the paper up. Repeat on the other side, first two layers back, and the next forward. Now bring both to the middle. With this done, first on the right side, fold this layer over the others. That way. Repeat on the other side. Okay. Now let's reverse each corner using the existing creases. Just push like that and close the paper. The same on this other. Then reinforce and repeat on the other side. Let's leave it that way for now. And for the next step, first fold back the zigzag part and fold this diagonal to this other. Bring in the paper like that. Repeat on the other side. Now has a little trick to do the eye detail. It can be done with your hand, however, to make it much easier, it's better to do with a pen. We just need to remove that back cover, like that. Put on this corner here, and with the finger behind, we push and give the shape of the eye. Just watch and repeat. Now, with this done, repeat on the other side. And now you can go giving the shape as you think is better. I recommend starting here at the front, making a kind of letter Y. Just connect with two diagonals more or less on the middle and make a vertical crease just below. Just organize a little if necessary. Now some curves on top, something like a circle. Then connect the sides. The details of the head are ready. Now on the side, let's fold the diagonal crease to the vertical here. Now repeat on the other side. Now fold the corners up, just like that, making the detail of the feet. Then in this position, first open a little bit, and now on the previous fold, let's bring the little diagonal edge forward, folding like that. Here fold strongly. This will work as a kind of lock. Do the same on the other side. Just close the previous fold and make a lock. Now let's fit the fold on back underneath this same lock. Again, just watch and repeat. Something like that. The other side as well. Then close this part. Reinforce the folds. And it's almost ready. We just need to make a few details to make it more realistic. So, using again the same pen, we'll make some curves on the wings and on the feet. Then just roll the paper like that. Making something like this one. Now repeat on the other. The same logic on the feet, now making the curve down. If you want, you can leave the owl that way, but we can still organize, giving more details and arranging all the folds, thus giving a better result like this. Our origami is ready! As I said at the beginning, this model is a bit advanced. I explained as best I could, and I hope that most people have been able to do this. If you liked this video, don't forget to click on like button, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and turn on notifications to follow new videos all week. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next time!